Tired of seeing oops? You're running out of credits on Kling AI.
It's time
Don't
to
worry,
stop!
I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to get unlimited credits for Kling AI. So, without wasting time, let's jump right in. First, sign out of your Kling AI account. Now, click the Sign In button again. You'll see options to sign in with Google, Apple, or email. Select Sign In with email. Now, click on Sign Up for free. Here, you need to enter an email, password, and confirm password. But wait, Kling AI does not support disposable emails, so we need a workaround. Head over to mailticking.com, always click on the Change Gmail drop-down and select @gmail.com, this ensures you get a usable email domain. Now, copy the generated Gmail address. Go back to Kling AI and paste it into the email box. Choose any password you like and fill in the CAPTCHA. If it says, email already in use, don't worry, just generate a new Gmail from Mailticking and try again. Important tip, if you click the New button on Mailticking, it might generate a @googlemail.com domain, which is not supported by Kling AI. Let me show you, if you copy and paste a @googlemail.com address into Kling AI, it will say, email does not satisfy format. So, go back again, click Change Gmail, select @gmail.com, and copy a new email. Now, paste it into Kling AI, click Next, and fill in the CAPTCHA.
Perfect. Everything.
Go back to Mailticking and refresh the inbox. Wait a few seconds for the verification email from Kling AI. Open the email, copy the verification code, and paste it into Kling AI. Boom! You now have 166 free credits ready to use. Try this out and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tricks. See you in the next video.